we're going to add our apple filling. If you want to moisture-proof the bottom crust, you can use a little egg wash and brush that over the whole bottom crust. We'll just crack an egg without the egg yolk. Set that aside and just beat it up a little bit to break up the egg white. And then just take a pastry brush and brush like this. Now we'll put our apple filling right in there. Just scrape that all in there. I like a nice high apple pie, so I use a lot of apples and pile them up nicely. Scrape all that good stuff in there. And then I use my hands to kind of compact it in because they're going to shrink a lot while cooking. And so if they're loose in there, they're just going to shrink up even more. So compact them in there nice and tight. That looks good. And then we'll top it with our 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine. They call it dotting it with butter or margarine. Just take little clumps and that will melt down into the pie filling as it cooks. There you go. Now we're ready to roll out our top crust and finish up the pie.